Alright guys, I'm going to show you a little bit about this homeostasis simulation. We'll be doing this next Thursday. So this is in the Thursday folder. You go to homeostasis simulation and you actually can click the arrow to open up the whole site. Make sure you read through this. You are going to be trying to keep your runner alive or not to pass out, basically. So if you read this, then you're going to click start. And it's going to take you to your person. I'm going to leave this for now. You're going to see that it's going to change really fast. So she said she doesn't feel good. So your job is to either increase or decrease the heart rate, the respiration, which is how much oxygen she needs, the blood pressure, which deals with your heart rate, and then your body temperature as well, and then your blood sugar down here. So as you can see, all of those need to be changed. So then it's going to pop up with this if you don't do it correctly. So to maintain homeostasis, you must keep each indicator as close to the center of its display as possible. So you're wanting to keep it in the green here. You don't want it to get too high or too low. So then you can start over and try and keep her from passing out again.